So I don't know how to make the loom still see me while I'm talking, so you won't be able to see me after this. Sorry, and I'm looking at myself. But hopefully, you hear my voice and you see the product, and that is why I am here. I'm sorry though. I wish I could make it do that. I can't make it do that. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is I'm going to start here with the Figma. So this is Tarc University. Tarc stands for the Arc University. It's an online social learning platform. So it is where we combine the social metric and algorithm with learning and education. So you're going to sign in. This is the mobile version. If I zoom out, you can see at the top here. This is the desktop version. Now the desktop version is what they're going to use for their education. And then the mobile version is what they're going to use for their social. The desktop version can do more, but the mobile version can do a lot as well. So the mobile version has the live classes. So there's a live class, and then there's the recorded classes. The mobile version has where you can sign up, or your grades. Has where you can sign up for your classes. Has your profile. The mobile version, or the desktop version, now comes with peer review editing software where you can live, like a Google Doc, you can live review and edit each other's software, which is necessary for most classes. There are modes like chat rooms, chill lounges, where the students can in classes just chat with each other and be social. And I think this will keep them engaged and interacting with each other. Most people, what they're scared to say in front of a whole class, they can easily message each other or message the class. So that's like a Slack feature. And then we have your actual lecture, which would be, so here we have the open discussion where people can talk to the professor, to the instructor, to the teacher. This is for anywhere from K through college. So anywhere from elementary, middle, high school, undergrad, graduate, anybody can use this. Anyone who's in school can use this. So this is where they can ask free open questions. Here is where we have the question for the lecture. Here is where students will respond and give answers. And here is where the teacher can respond. If not giving the live lecture, they can be here and they can pause it. They can, like Loom, they can give their feedback and all that stuff. This is another mode for the chill chat room for the desktop. And then here, off to the side, we have the AI feature that monitors the screen. So it's going to monitor your click-offs, and it monitors your engagement, and it monitors your cheating. This is important because we want to be able to analyze if people are staying engaged on their technology. So this is kind of how I would want the setup to be for the first product. This is the website. This would be the desktop version. So it doesn't have much, but so we can go down to sections and we can see what our grades would be right from the home screen. So our grades will look something like this. You have your emails, your grades. It will look something just like this. You can go to the chill lounge, which would look something like this. Not exactly. This is more like a Twitter feed, but it would have like a feature where you can just post and see everyone's post. Then you can go to your courses. And this is where you can pick out your courses. So it would be something like this. Or this is where you can see your courses. Sorry. There's another place if I go home. This is where you would click to go to your live class if you have live class. But we don't have live class right now. And I also had a feature where they can read actual news, because I realized many students are concerned about the news and want to have good news. I think good news is everyone wants good, reliable news. So yeah, so that's all the features that we have on this prototype. The Figma has more of exactly what I want. So it has the peer editing feature and the modes which you saw. Like it'll be more like Slack, but it could also be like a Twitter feature, whichever one is better, whichever one goes better with the platform. Oh, we have the email. That's what I want to show you. We have the email, which is important for instructors because the instructors aren't going to be able to like just chat with the students. They'll have to send emails. You have your search, which we saw, which is your classes, where you can find your classes. It's going to be a feature similar to that. And so, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you for having me. Bye.